to the woman I'm becoming. I see you.
Alright y'all, so I picked up some stuff because I want to decorate the porch, the outside. So, thinking about these little pillows and this rug here. This one is green, but they do have the one, the blue one, say hello. I don't know which one I want to get. Ugh. Oh, that's what that is. Smell good. This one smells good. Smell really good. But yeah, let's focus. So I don't know, but if I get this one, it's gonna be like it's too much blue. I wonder do they have like a little green tarp.
Why I have so much stuff in this bucket? Let's see what we do.
Said you needed space. Said you needed more time to think. So you went away. But you still would stay in my dream. Now you're back for more. Why you in my reality? My head closed the door. Even though my heart just won't leave. That was then, can't go back. Hurt so bad, had to block out the memory. If we try again, start from scratch. You wanna pick up where we left off, but you've been gone away. You've been gone away so long. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away so long. I forgot your middle name, I forgot your birthday. You still wear cologne the same, like it in the worst way. You've been gone away. Since you've been gone away, you've been gone away. 50, 11 days, 50, 11 days, 50, 11. I lost count of all of the weeks that you have your way. Wouldn't pick a fight when you'd leave.
Alright, so I went to Dollar General and I got some things from Dollar General. I just want to clean outside because of the bugs, the flies, and stuff. Every time I come home, I got to spray everything. So hopefully, I'll be cleaning in front of the door. Everything is good. But anyways, so I got these little pillows. They was $10 each from Dollar General. Very cute little dragonflies on it. This color here. Got some green in it, some gray. So let's see what we're gonna do with these. Then I got these little dragonflies. Are they called dragonflies? I don't know. These picked up some more little flowers. And I picked up this little water dispenser thingy. I use that as a base. And this little candle, $3. These $3. These $1 each. This was $4. These on sale. I picked up this little butterfly welcome sign and this mat. They had two different kinds, but I wasn't sure which one I wanted to get, but I ended up getting this one. Felt like I should have got the blue one though. And a little stool, but we're gonna make it out of side table.
You know, baby, I've been feeling so good lately. Seeing the sky bluer, the grass greener. I'm trying to fight it, but I know it's you. Oh, you see it too? Yeah. Never knew that I would put myself out there. Scary to be visionary, but you came in at just the right time. Yeah, you came in and blew my mind. Never knew that I could make a work of art. Never knew I had it in me. My canvas, it stayed blank for so long, but I paint with all colors now. I've come a long way from God, I've been so blind. This is the vision I always envisioned, and I know why. It's you. You inspire everything I do. You're the reason life feels so amusing. Your voice is like my music, my muse, my music. It's you. It's you. My muse is you. When I'm not with you, you're always on my mind. I miss you every day, I swear it. Channeling all this energy. I'm making use of these feelings inside. Cause if I don't express it, I don't really explode. Heart beating out of my chest. You're everything I wanted for so long. But I've been without colors now. I've come a long way from black and white. God, I've been so blind.
Look, I really feel like I should take the green mat back and go get the blue one. That's the reason why I have not took the $10 sign off of it yet. Still thinking about taking it back to Dollar General and get the blue, because I think the blue will really pop with the rest. I was just trying to pull some of that green out, but I don't know. So, but this is the door. It's how Andre styled it. Cutesy. I hate that you really can't see the butterfly, but yeah. And we've decided to put one of the little dragonflies up on the light. You know how they be beaming around the light, even though that light don't work though, but yeah. And this is how this area look here. I can like that at nighttime or whatever. I do have this little raid back there, but y'all think this stuff gonna stay on this porch? No, it's not. I'm gonna have to take my little stuff in because it's not gonna stay. The only thing probably will actually stay is the mat and the chairs. But the little decor pieces, I don't think it's gonna make it. I really don't. I still never found like a sign, nothing to go up here, but I couldn't even find no more of them little dragonflies because I was thinking about put some over there, which I could have put them up, but they look better over there on the door how Andre has it. So I'll leave them there, but this is how it look, y'all. So happy spring.
You know, baby, I've been feeling so